Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we are using black color. Now we're mixing black color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball and B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog and D for doll. The next one is E. Subscribe to our channel. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for God. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. Now we're coloring the alphabet of I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Now we're mixing and using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. I for ice, I for ice cream, and the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. Now we're using black color. The next one is Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Now we're using black color paint. T for teacher, U for umbrella. The next one is V. W. W for watch. And the next one is X. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, the next one is numbers. First we're coloring the number of 1. Kids, now we're using black color. The next one is 2. And the next one is 3. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the number of 4 and the next one is 5. Kids, the next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7. The next one is 8. Now we're using black color. And the next one is 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N. Today we're coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.